Guys, we're back and we're doing an obby.
Wow.
And
Well,
this is,
he was playing
which you guys, I'm not telling you what kind of obby is this. What? Alright, follow me. Just walk into red. Red is the good one. Just walk into red first. Yeah, okay. Don't mind it, 'cause we're doing an obby.
What is that thing?
Oh, you heard the dog! Run! Go through! Hi, I tricked him! No! Go collect the buttons, bro! Go collect it! Yay! Wait. Hold on! Yo, stop! Justin, become a normal human. Bro, I'm gonna keep your translator. Give your translator. Hi.
I will kill you.
Why?
Kill you.
Why? No!
I'm jumping.
Bro, why would you want to die?
I will bark. I will kill you.
Go press the button.
Yay.
We're doing an obby. Garf. Remember, we're doing an obby.
Slower than me.
Why are you shaking his booty, bro? You're shaking his booty. Disgusting. I pressed it.
I'm killing my friend.
No. Hold me up. Hello? Nice. Let's go. No. Let's go.
Wait, I can jump high.
Pull me back up. Video.
Stop moving.
Okay. Time to move. Walk.
I can just walk.
I just
Stop,
jump over.
remember?
Yay, okay.
Step on this. Cool.
Pull me up. I don't want to die.
Just jump. Just keep pressing jump.
Okay. Mommy?
There's gonna be red balls.
We wait over here until the next one comes and we run up. Hip hooray. Why stop shaking your butt?
Save me.
Go faster. I thought you were supposed to be fast.
I'm too fast. I keep jumping. Save me.
They're jumping on you.
Save me. I need it. No.
No!
There's someone that saved me.
I saved
I
you.
jumped on their head.
I'm the obby master. You gotta do this, man. You're kind of
Why
slow.
since I've done some obbies?
We just did it like that was the last video
110.
after. Yeah, and that video got 100 views. Yay!
Oh no, some moving.
Go!
Go. Jump.
Okay, thank you, kids. Jump! We. Wow. Well,
All the way
doggy.
back here.
That's like 2 meters. We're back here again.
I'm higher than you.
I don't care. We don't care about your
Stupid
hair.
hair.
We.
That's something else.
Wheel. Jump. What's this? What is this? You dumb! Wow, stop being so
Yeah, let's go
dumb.
right here. Wait.
Go, kid.
We went only 2 meters away.
Ah!
Might as well die. This is
Ah!
insanely hard.
No, it's not okay if you
How come you're
focus.
dying? You are dying.
No, if you. Oh, okay. Wait, just cover. First person. Hypnotize.
Ugh.
Why did it say you want to explode kill? No, why would I want to do that? Have you clicked it? Jump.
Oh, I didn't click it.
What? Who cares?
That means we'll go way
I
back.
think I clicked it. I stepped on
I
it.
didn't click it. It still said yellow.
No, you stepped on it too. Who cares?
Why is it yellow?
Wait, what? Wait, 3, 2, 1, go.
These are not even.
What? Pull me up. Somebody fling me. They fling me. Evo.
At least we can pull in this game. Run! Go.
Whoa.
Jump.
You did it right.
You try to go on it.
Pull me up.
Try to step on it.
I think we did it. You go through first. I think you gotta pull me. Yeah, you gotta pull me. Yeah. Go in it, Mazers.
Someone flinged me.
Who cares? You're still here.
I can't move.
Okay. Let's go through the blue. Come here. And I think you go through the blue again and get the green. Oh no, you go. Come over here and get the blue. Follow me. Come over here and get the green. And then come back out.
And go to
Yes. And
go
then
to press the
yes.
yellow and go to yellow.
I'm a pathway. Okay. You come here. Here and then come
It's gonna be hard.
here. And you get out. Yay.
Yay.
I think the checkpoints are not working. I hope we don't reset.
Then we
But who cares? We're still alive. No. Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me up. No. Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me up. Pull me. Oh, crap. Just try to jump
Now
off.
I'll
Yes. How do you just do that, bro? You saved us.
I saved your life.
Yeah. I think you're supposed to
I
go.
will follow you.
You're supposed to go up. I'm supposed to go down here. What? Wait, where do we get to?
Ah.
Oh, we're safe. But we wanted. Ah!
Thank goodness we're still on these.
No, it's just a tiny bit. Just go as fast as you can. We're gonna beat this obby. Ah! Dude, you died.
You.
No, you said your dog has died. Just go. I give up. Just go. No! That jump is literally impossible for a human or creature.
No. You only had to choose.
No, I didn't do it. You pulled me up, forgot?
I didn't pull it.
That was that even possible?
Whoa!
No! Stop it! Don't do this, man.
This is insanely hard.
No, it's not.
Stop. Now go.
Okay.
Stop.
You go first.
I'll go first.
Since I feel like I'm gonna go. Okay, it's possible.
Okay, back to the
no,
insanely
we
hard
should
part.
probably. What? I literally walk into it. That's literally like impossible.
I'll go first.
I don't care. Go. Just go. Maybe you have to go up first. No.
I go. Oh wait, I can't go far.
No, I could do it. Okay. Whoa.
Why is it so cool?
Come here.
I made it.
Oh.
Shoot. What is this? I can't do this.
You can't. It's like a jump. Yes! You stupid! You guys be right. You have been sitting here for the past like 5 minutes. You're the one who's dying.
Sorry. I think I.
Go faster.
Okay.
Get in between. Follow my lead. Wait, you can just do this, can't you? Yeah, you could have just did that. Oh, wait. Walk so slowly.
I don't know.
The owner goes first, okay? Because I'm the smart person. You're dumb.
Yeah,
No! No, bro. Stop dying. Okay.
I'm not dying.
No, you died. You
You
actually.
fell first.
Then go faster if you're not going as fast. And I'll obviously die. Hold me up. Hold me up. Save me. Thank you.
Oh, I'm jumping so high. I don't want to.
What? He flying me! I
hate this game.
I'm getting so mad.
This 2-player.
Ah! Guys, what is this? Reactivate each other.
I hate this game.
Why do you love playing?
Why are these people so toxic? You're also playing.
We can do this. We're speedrunners. Okay. We remember. We have a mindset. Okay. Come here. I'll let you go. You actually have to be kidding. I'm actually so mad. What is this? No. Oh my.
2-player obby again.
I think you need some help. You No! Why is somebody alone? How's that even possible?
Wait, what? I thought it was not possible to go in.
Just go. Just go. Just actually just go. I'm official.
I love to
Call me my what?
Make it.
I actually quit, bro. What is this? What is this? Why does he die every time? Bro, this is torturing me, isn't it? No, you stupid! That's crazy, you stupid. Don't do this to me.
We did this earlier.
Can't you just stop dying?
I'll try.
It's literally just a normal check. Yes, but Look at this. You kill. Just do this already. How do you? No, Stop bullying. Jump! Stop. We aren't gonna lose. Okay? We can't. Okay. We won't. Okay. We literally just won't. Okay. We are good at this game. No! Hold me! Wait, let me use my. Okay, that's where it goes. Okay, so just okay. Don't kill me. You can do this. That big area's meant. Stop going that way! Yes! Stupid. Stop. No! No, we are not quitting this until we finish. We are. Oh, you killed me! They're bringing back up! They're stuck here too. No! At least we're not far. Bro, he flinged me when I died. Bro, why do people keep flinging us, bro?
Yeah.
I just don't like to get flinged.
Have you seen that girl bacon hair? What is that girl bacon hair?
Oh my. How much is a skip stage?
Oh,
Oh hell no!
oh,
Oh nah, yeet.
oh no.
Ooh nah. I thought it would be like one Robux or something.
Because
Ah!
no.
Oh
I
me!
hate
Yo, no, I'm
I
done.
hate this game.
I'm
Hate
so
this
adored
game.
you.
Let's transfer back to the first ever.
No! I can survive. Okay. You actual piece of crap.
You.
I'm actually good.
Yes, you.
These things are just keep dying. Just like us. Okay, we can do this. This time I won't die. Okay. I'm not going to die.
Sayonara.
Oh thank God. Okay.
Why
Don't
is it
go
not-
that way again. Okay, this is easy. This is one part. And that's it. Okay. Yes. Okay. Go.
Someone flamed me.
Wait.
You have to hold on.
You're safe. Don't get hit. Okay, don't go yet. Okay, you just gotta go here. Yes.
Why are you
Okay.
going?
Here. Checkpoint. Checkpoint.
Yes! Finally!
We can do this.
External
We can do
pain!
this. Okay, we can do this.
That was external
Oh my God, it feels so easy. Okay. Was there a hole or not?
There's no home, this is too thin.
I'll go first person. Ooh, so nice, bro. These pets.
I fell down.
What?
You can't fool
He's coming up.
me.
He's coming up. Okay, don't go too fast, kid. Stop shaking your butt, bro.
Why? I can jump.
Could you come up?
I can't.
You could come up. You could come up.
Jumping.
Come. Yes.
Oh!
What is this? What actually is
Oh, you
this?
have to jump on a line.
Oh my. Okay, this is easy.
What
This
are
is-
you doing?
What are- No! Why is he walking on my side?
No, this is the second most.
No, we haven't took like 50 times yet. You actually so dumb. I actually hate you.
I can't jump. It's not possible.
I'm bringing you back, okay? I have so much spit on the monitor. I'm just like way up, and they're just like so. You actually.
Pull me again.
I think you broke it. Go here first. Come up.
No,
Yes,
fuck
let me
the
go up
head.
at AFK to this floor. Let me take up the
What?
break. Don't go.
I stick my butt at your head.
No. What are you?
Little butt.
Go on your side. Go on your side.
Wait.
Okay, don't.
See you jump. You have to swap sides.
I swapped.
I didn't know you had to swap sides.
No.
No.
Just go. What was that? Hurry up. Oh my. Bro, I want to say a swear word.
I also want to see a swear. I'll see the F word.
That's slow. Bring me up. Kick. I'm fine first.
Alright guys, welcome to the rain video.
You could go first. I see your body, but okay.
Don't chase the
Okay. Oh my God.
Oh no, I'm Siri, I'm Siri.
Just turn off. What?
That's external.
One. Jump. Okay. I'll let you go. Okay. Blue. Okay.
Jump on your tops. Yes!
Yes. Oh my god, that was just.
Oh, we're both blue.
Hey, come here. That. Hey, hold on. You flung me.
Who cares?
Just go.
What
was that? What was that?
What was that?
Okay, I feel happy now. Why am I just spinning?
I broke my. Why is what? I'm so. Okay, who cares? You can still move.
Wait, why can't I move?
Why are you staying there?
I can't move. Nobody cares. Wait, let me try that way. What is it?
Get ready. Walk forward.
No. Yes, I know from you. What?
Don't flank me.
At least gotta do at the first one, like right here. Survive. Go.
Sayonara.
Go on the other side.
Shut up.
Stand above me and I'll come over here.
Wow, you're way
Go.
harder.
I'll let you go first. Now it's my turn. We did this. We got it, okay? It's fine.
Celeste. I found Kate.
Okay, we'll bring you with me. Bring you.
The fact about
Okay, we can
pulling
go.
is that
Okay, I go first. Don't move. Okay. Why am I just standing right next to the finish line? Yay,
Getting
talking.
closer. We're 8%.
I think we're not close at all.
Yeah, we're
Oh, wrong side.
wrong
Tee-hee.
side.
Well,
We're back here. Oh my.
No, we're just right here. We're just like 22 feet away. Ah! Sorry.
I can jump higher.
That's it.
I'm jumping on my left.
Oh, we did it. Okay, this way.
Ah!
Then drag him up.
I'm not coming up. I'm not coming
Drag him up.
up.
Drag him up. What? Ow, my! You are so stupid.
Sorry.
Get better, you stupid.
I'm a helicopter.
Stop doing this. He's trying to make me so. Actually. My teammate is so stupid, man. Get better at the game. This is gonna last for like 40 minutes of us just.
I'm doing it again.
Swear. Oh my god.
You wanna quit?
No, we're not quitting for you guys since we said we were gonna finish this, and you're trying to make this so much harder, since.
I don't know how to do this hobby.
Let's pull me up.
I'll jump here.
Oh my! Stop dying!
Better than trying to use more time.
I'm actually going to
I'm actually going to crash out.
Bro, you can't just keep dying.
I'm gonna crash
I
out.
I don't believe that you can die so much in a video game. It's literally physically hard to do that, okay?
Going back.
You can't die in this, okay? This is so easy, okay?
Physical.
Okay.
Again.
Oh my god. Actually, bro, what the sigma?
No.
You can get on. You can literally get on. Yes. Just go.
It's my button.
Click. What happened?
You have to both go there. So you made me stupid.
Okay, now
Why?
come here. Okay.
Jump
Jump.
here.
Jump here. Jump here.
I have to jump
Let's
on
go.
my spot.
Let's go.
Whoa.
What is this? Okay.
Wait.
Wait. Just slowly but surely. We can do this.
I made it.
Okay.
Whoa.
What?
You made it.
Somebody flick me.
You can do it again.
Okay. Stop shaking your butt cheeks. Alright, don't worry. Okay. Alright, first person. Just slowly do this.
I hate this.
Okay. What?
Get to that big button. Get to that big button.
I don't bother.
Green.
Okay.
Done again.
Okay, click. Okay, first person, slowly walk.
Why are you blocking me?
Okay, then you go first. I'll let you go first.
I can't.
Yeah, actually, oh my god. You actually are so dumb. You actually are so dumb.
I hate
That was so much progress.
this.
No, we can't.
This video's gonna be 1 hour.
I don't care. If it's 1 hour, it's 1 hour. We're not gonna finish this without ending the suffering.
Sorry.
You stupid. If you do that again, I'm officially kicking you out. You are so
Sam. What happened? I was lagging.
We can do this.
Someone fling me.
We can't do this.
Someone fling
We
me.
actually can't do this. Guys, I actually hate
I wanna
this
quit this
stupid game.
We're never playing again. Ever.
No, we are still playing again.
I want to quit this.
You're trash. It's not my problem. Stop dying! You're trying to make me suffer myself, bro. You're just giving me my own
Then
suffering.
Do you wanna quit?
Never.
Ooh.
If we don't finish, we never end. Are you gonna actually just do this to me?
Unless we end this.
Yeah, when we finish it.
This is already been 40 minutes.
Yeah, then it's not my problem. You're the one who's making
you
us.
pulled me into the
Then it's your problem that you died. Let's go. Let's go. I actually hate you, man. Go on your side. And if you die again, keep up. Officially done.
I will quit. I'm leaving.
No, I don't care. You're gonna be here, then you're gonna be kicked out the fam. The fam of the dark demons.
The dark fan?
Yeah.
No, please.
Tell me? Bro, can you stop playing dumb?
Why do you pull me?
I did not pull you!
That felt like you pulled me.
You felt like...
You pulled me in the fire.
Then what do you expect me to do? No, actually no.
I'm literally...
Then you can't just keep dying.
I'm not moving.
No, if you're not moving, then we're gonna be staying here for the past night.
No, we're not.
Just do this. Just
do
do it.
this.
If you're...
I already know we can't do this.
No, we can do this.
It's just really hard.
If we concentrate,
I can't.
You
do
can't
this.
just jump off. Bro. We can do this, okay? We can do this. It's been like only 30 minutes.
30 minutes. And now you just pulled me back off.
I didn't even pull you back off.
It felt like you pulled me
Oh, then
back
you
off.
gotta actually walk. You can't just sit there.
Because this... You're so...
You say I suck? Okay. But bye, kid. You stop pulling me.
That's what happened.
And stop moving. Move back. I forgot about moving back. Just go. Literally, just go.
Look, I'll just go.
Bro, are you
So what happens if I just go?
Are you really that dumb? Are you like a toddler dumb?
I'm not a toddler.
Then stop dying. This is easy.
This is not easy.
I feel like I could be playing alone and I will still beat you. Slowly, but surely we can. Stop falling down. You can't keep just falling down. First person, remember that.
I never do first person. It makes me even easier to die.
Okay.
I can't even see my...
Then if you can't do it, then you better do it with your third person, huh? Huh? You are actually so annoying, bro. You actually can't be doing this, bro. I've been here for the past, 50 years. 50 years, you're stunning me around. Pull me up. Pull me. Yeah, that's not... Can't even touch it. No, we are not quitting this. If we quit this, we may as well delete the old channel.
We're only 48% there.
We can do this. If we just concentrate.
We're 48% of the whole game.
We just only got a bit more. Just focus and relax, yeah?
Okay, focus.
You got it.
Now I use.
You just fell off on purpose.
I didn't do it on purpose.
Okay, then don't do it not on purpose. Slowly walk. Slowly, but surely. You get it. And now here is even easier. Yes, now we can finally get here. Oh my god. You could have pulled me out. You literally could have.
I didn't know you fell off. And someone else also flinged me.
Just walk. Just literally just walk. Just go. You officially have ended me. Just go to your side. Just go to your side. Go to your side.
Trying.
Oh my god.
How did it pull me?
Oh my god. I'm actually falling.
Okay, I'm actually gonna quit now.
Fine, guys. This is episode 1. I'm going crazy, guys. And Justin is a stupid kid, okay? Get better, man.
Fine, try.
You don't even know how to play games. But guys, like and subscribe. And yeah, poop, hooray. It's so annoying.
Wait, what?
Okay.
Wait, can I just...
Please, Justin, you are going to be deaf to me.
Don't tell me I'm a bember. I'm not bember.
You're a hever.
I'm not hember.
You're a bember. You're a grember. You're a timber.
No.
You're a pooper.
No.
Guys, like and subscribe for more vids that you may progress through this series.